Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is January 15th of 2021, and we are at a Chainlink all-time high. One for the record books, folks. Woke up this morning and we were close, like $19, and whew, I had my wife take the kids to school today because it's too important to take kids to school. Just kidding. So right now we're in uncharted territory. We're in price foundation frontier. So sky's the limit. Maybe I'm going to show you today kind of what to look for if you want to take maybe some profit, where we could be headed in the coming days or weeks now that we're at all-time high. And we're also going to look at Cardano today. And I'm going to compare a little bit more Chainlink to Ethereum so we can see, maybe try to get a trend pattern of what's happening. So let's go ahead and look at it. I drew this overnight. I did a live stream yesterday. A couple of guys were on there. I appreciate you if you're on there. It's our first live stream. We might do that more. Maybe next week we'll do maybe a couple. Kind of find out a couple different times. Maybe we'll do like a Monday and Wednesday, or Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday. I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe I'll start doing a couple live streams a week in addition to my videos. So stay tuned for that. But for Chainlink right now, massive breakout candle. I mean, just a few days ago we were at 1250 at the bottom of this channel. This is our I like this price channel for when we get above it. I just think it's a bubble, which is what we're seeing now. But since we're at all-time highs, we could be forming our new floor. This would be great. If we break out above this and come back down and test it and hold it, then this is history, and this is going to be our new paradigm, so to speak. So if we look at Ethereum, what Ethereum did in its first move, we looked at this a little bit yesterday. So it had its down, up, and then once it broke its all-time high, you could see it breaks up, and then it comes back down and retests that all-time high right around that same area. You see that? So what we want to look for is percentage move after it breaks out all-time high. So it's about right there. Our first big candle is about 15-16% up, and then we moved out again that next week. This is on the weekly. So the total move was about 23%, 15 to 23. So before coming back down and retesting that all-time high. So we will look at what Chainlink would be at if it did that same move. So history doesn't have to repeat, but it can, often does. So just a point to take. If you don't want to take profits, that's fine. Just sit and watch, see what Link does. If you want to take some profits and try to buy more, which is what I try to do. The only reason I ever sell Link is to buy more Link. So I'm going to try to make something up in here. I can try to let you know what I do if anybody's interested in that. But from our bottom, 15%, $23. If we go up to 20%, I think Link or Ethereum was at 23% roughly. So just under 25. So anywhere in that area, if we get above $23, I'll start maybe getting my sell orders ready. Now, whenever I sell any, it's not a huge amount. It's not all in or all out kind of thing. So it might be 10% or 5%, depending on the move or however extended we are. Now, I probably would do about 10% if it happens over the next few days, just because it's such a big candle, and more often than not, the bigger the candle, you're going to have a little bit of a pullback. So doesn't mean that has to happen. It's just things I look for, and especially with our three big candles out here, if we can over the weekend, the past few weekends, Ethereum's been exploding. So maybe it's this weekend is we're going to have another big moves coming up. But if we continue this move up, I would just look for $23 to $25 for taking a little bit off the table just to secure some profit. And so let's say we continue this move, get to sit right in there, and then maybe we have a little bit of a drawback, do some consolidation. If we come back, we want to hold this line just right about $18 right at this level. So if we hold this, and then you see us start moving back up again, this is the new paradigm. We will be rolling to higher prices very quickly. We don't have to do this. Bitcoin didn't do this. Bitcoin didn't retest. Bitcoin just kept printing face-melting green candles. So just something to look for. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at Cardano. Cardano is looking strong. It's got our separations for our moving averages, our 21-day, 50, 100, 200. This is on the daily chart. If we go over to weekly, I mean, you could look how, Cardano's been around since the end of the last bull run, so maybe a lot of people might not even know that it did this move when it got up to over $1.50. So I got in early in Cardano back over in this area, but I haven't sold any. I just been holding, so it's been a long time coming to get back to where I bought in at, but it's about right in this area. So we'll see what Cardano does. It's looking good right now, though. This is a nice looking candle. We gotta see what the weekend holds. We got 2 days before we close our weekly candle. Closes Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll try to do more live streams. I like that. I like how people can just ask me questions. So look for that in the future. Maybe you want me to do one today. I don't know if I got time today. I pick my kids up every day from school. So it'd have to be in the late afternoon like I did yesterday. Just let me know. Let's see, where are we at? Twitter's blowing up, as it always does when green candles are printing, but I posted these this morning, but this is what I posted as soon as I woke up. This is before we even broke our all-time high. This is that channel that you just saw. When we break outside of big channels like this is our price channel. This is our last bubble up to 20. If you start making abnormal moves, this is your wake-up call. So this was what I noticed. I was going to post this earlier, but if you follow me on Twitter, sometimes I throw a little heads up. So it's 5-day crypto 1. Happy to take any questions. Coin market cap. If you notice, yesterday, Chainlink was like $6 billion. It's added $2 billion overnight. If it does that again, it's going to be way up here. Top, right behind Polkadot. I fully see. I would think we wake up Monday morning and Polkadot has flipped XRP and Chainlink is right here. I would think Chainlink could be top 5 Monday morning. We'll see. I'm excited. I think it's going to be a great weekend. Cardano could move up. This would be awesome. I would love to have Polkadot, Cardano, Chainlink in the top 6. We'll go top 6 by Monday. That would be an amazing weekend. We'll be making. It could be a good weekend. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We've popped back into our channel of 88. So this could have been a fake out by Bitcoin, the whole crypto market. We're still overextended in the whole crypto market cap. We're like, we're way out in the risk. So just keep if you're scared that we might drop back down, just put a stop loss. I can show you how to do that if you guys don't know. If you have any questions on stop losses, I can explain it pretty easily. But that's all I got for now. We want to hold this as support again for Link. If we start making a move back down, maybe I'll do a live stream then. Or if we keep printing face melts and we get up above this line, 20. If we get into our zone, I was just saying 15% above our all-time high, maybe I'll start a live stream then. So just look for that. If we're above 23, maybe I'll try a live stream even this weekend. I don't think I got much going on this weekend, so yeah, look for that. For $23, I'll hop on, do a live stream. So let's do our car of the day. For all-time highs, we have to do a special car. So it's my all-time high favorite Ferrari. Ferrari LaFerrari. I was going to get a Ferrari and I had $3 million laying around. Probably pick with this up. Real one costs, they start about 3 million. Hard to find now. Lewis Hamilton has one. You guys know Lewis Hamilton? F1 driver. Sweet. I'll leave you some real pictures. I know we had some issues with the real pictures yesterday. It looks fine on my end, but something happened when it uploaded to YouTube, and I didn't have my quote or my car. So hopefully I'll double check everything again today. But yeah, so real pictures. We'll do our quote of the day. $20 gold stars today for an all-time high of $20 link, which we're right back at now. So we'll look and see what's happening. Keep an eye out for this weekend. I expect higher prices. We'll see what we got. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. Hope you learned something. Everything's free. I give it all for free. Thanks so much. Have a good weekend. We'll see you here hopefully this weekend. Hopefully this weekend. If you see my face this weekend, your portfolio has more money in it. It's a win-win. Thanks.